Assalamu alaikum and good morning. My name is Rabia from class 6 Moon. Today I am here to present our model. The topic of our model is pollution. Pollution occurs when a part of environment become unhealthy. Modern technologies and inventions that use our benefit but it destroy our environment. There are 4 types of pollution: land pollution, air pollution, water pollution. Land pollution. There are several causes of land pollution. Think of rubbish, waste product, dangerous chemical and poisonous substance of factories. Air pollution. It occurs when air is polluted by harmful poisonous gases. It is due to heating and cooking. Noise pollution. It is the unwanted sound that disturbs our environment. It can produce heavy industrial machinery, traffic and many other ways. Water pollution. Causes of water pollution are sewage and waste dump in streams. Chemical waste from factories released into water. Let's try to save our environment. After all, we have one earth, so we have better look after it. Thank you and have a nice day.